Ever needed to add a footnote or endnote in Microsoft Word on your phone, but couldn't find the option? Don't worry, it's actually easier than most people think. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few taps using the Word mobile app. First, open your document in the Microsoft Word mobile app. Next, highlight or select the text where you want to add a footnote or endnote. After that, tap the Insert tab. Now scroll down until you find the Footnote and Endnote options. Choose the one you need. For this example, let's select Footnote. Once the footnote is created, Word will automatically add a reference number in your document and move you to the Footnotes section. Here, you can enter your footnote information, such as the source of a quotation, a reference to a book, website, journal article, author's name, publication details, or any additional explanation related to the selected text. When you're done typing the information, simply return to your document. And that's it! Your footnote has been successfully added in Microsoft Word Mobile. So the next time you're working on an assignment, research paper, report, or any document that requires references, you can easily add footnotes or endnotes right from your phone. If this quick tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.